Laguna, here is your microphone. Handa ka na ba? Oh, wow, I love the confidence. Okay, so the speech, of course, the title of the speech is What It Takes to Be a Great Man. You may start now.
Ladies and gentlemen, I stand in front of you today not as a candidate, but as a proud citizen of my home province, Laguna. I believe I'm deserving to be the next great man of the universe, not because I'm perfect, but because I believe I have values that can inspire others. A great man should not be measured based on strength, intelligence, nor success. It should be based on how we treat others, how we face challenges, and how we continue to grow despite facing difficulties in life. I strive to become a person who leads with purpose, discipline, and most importantly, respect. Someone who dreams big, works hard in achieving his goals, and also who motivates others in doing the same. Ladies and gentlemen, for me, greatness isn't about being above everybody else. It's becoming the best version of yourself, but also giving back to the community while helping others. Kaya may sarili akong kasasabihan na lagi ko sinasabi sa kapwa ko Pilipino na pag ang tao ay may respeto, siya ay may disiplina, at pag may disiplina, siya ay hindi matagumpay. Kaya proud akong Pilipino, Happy Independence Day sa ating lahat!
Maraming salamat po, Laguna. Happy Independence Day to you too. May we have our next candidate. We have Mr. Oriental Mindoro. How are you feeling right now?
I feel a little bit nervous, but I can.
Just breathe. Just breathe.
Yes, I
Yes.
am.
Just breathe because it's okay to be nervous because we have nervous system. So, okay. What does it take to be a great man?
I always believe that being a great man is not about having good quality looks, not about brain knowledge. It's about how many lives that you uplift. And I do believe that every single person is a great man. And one of the great men is my family also, my mom and my dad. They are a great man for me. And for me, I believe that great man is there as a purpose of being the best version of yourself, showcasing who really you are. And I do believe that great man is one of the person that need to be a role model to those persons who have a lack of confidence and lack of self-esteem. And that will be all. Thank you. Happy Independence Day sa inyo lahat. Mabuhay!
Maraming salamat po, Oriental Mindoro. Let's have our next candidate, Luella Aisina. Mr. Nueva Aisina, can you give us a little bit of an introduction about what you're wearing today? It seems very Filipino, very Pinoy. I love the style.
It's part of the Barong Tagalog.
Oh, Barong Tagalog. So, are you ready?
Of course.
What does it take to be a great man?
Thank you for that wonderful question. I deserve to become the next great man of the universe, Philippines, because I carry not only the passion to be, but a genuine heart and purpose to represent the greatness of the Philippine people. Beyond the title, I see this platform as a powerful opportunity to showcase how one man, driven by love for his country, can inspire others and create a meaningful impact. If given an honor to wear the crown, I will represent Philippines with pride, authenticity, and purpose. And I always believe that being a great man is not defined by his image, it is by his impact. I'm the great man of the universe, Philippines, and by Siya.
Wow, what a strong
nervous, but I think that is normal.
Well, that's okay. Just take a deep breath and please answer the question, what does it take to become a great man?
Magandang gabi, Pilipinas. Ako si John Dave Catalan Padilla mula sa Lower Nueva Ecija. Bilang isang kabataan, bilang isang Eagle Scout ng Boy Scout of the Philippines Nueva Ecija Council at bilang isang guro, natutunan ko na ang tunay na tagumpay ay hindi nasusukat sa dami ng iyong karangalan. Kundi ang tunay na tagumpay ay natutunan kung gaano kadami ang buhay na iyong natulungan at naiangat. Kaya ako ang karapat-dapat na great man of the Universe Philippines dahil taglay ko ang diwa ng laon. L. Leader na may puso at handang makinig sa iba. A. Advokasya na katutok sa edukasyon at sa kabataan. U. Isang uli ng mamayan na may integridad at R. Responsable sa isip, sa salita at sa gawa. Naparito ako hindi patunayan na ako ang pinakamahusay. Naparito ako upang ipakita na ang isang simpleng lalaki may integridad ay kayang magbigay ng boses at pag-asa sa bayan. Mabuhay ang Batang Laon! Mabuhay ang Pilipinas!
Boses at pag-asa sa bayan. Well said. Thank you so much. And we move on to Mr. Ifugao. Mr. Ifugao, I think you have something to say about what you're wearing. Yes.
So, good evening everybody. What I am using now is our native attire in our province of Ifugao. Upon ang hirong kainit na kamutamin.
Oh, I see. That's very good.
Okay.
So, are you ready for your question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What does it take to be a great man?
As an Ifugao and our representative of our province, I carry with me my rich culture, tradition, and resilience of my people. I use this platform to promote my advocacy and to inspire people. And also, a great man should have a good character and has been disciplined and to inspire others to carry on. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, Ifugao. May we move on to our next candidate, Baguio City. Hello, Baguio City. How are you feeling tonight?
I'm feeling a bit nervous.
Oh, have you prepared for this speech?
Yes, I did.
Yes, okay. So I hope you do well. I hope you do well.
Thank you.
Mahihain po siya. So ngayon, start na tayo. What does it take to be a great man?
So what does it take to be a great man? Being a great man is finding your purpose. Because without purpose, you're walking without a future. So being a great man should be the first thing is finding your purpose. And then after finding your purpose is fixing your future. And then being a great man is leaving your pride, your ego, and your attitude behind you. You should be walking to inspire other people, to inspire youth and other young adults. And that goes not just young adults, everybody. And being a great man is knowing how to be a gentleman, knowing how to be in front and behind of other people. And then being a great man is being kind and having humility and pride. And that's it. Thank you.
Spoken truly from the heart. Thank you so much, Baguio City. And our final candidate for this batch, let us have Cabanatuan City. Cabanatuan, you have a lot of supporters tonight. Do you want to give a message to your supporters?
Yes, of course, I would like to say thank you to all the people who come here. So, thank you for all of your support and love, and I hope that I will be able to give the answer that you're looking for.
Of course, so let us move on to the topic. What does it take to become a great man?
First of all, maligayang araw ng kalayaan at magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. I stand here not merely as a proud representative of for meaningful change. For nearly a decade, I have been deeply immersed in mental health advocacy, and I recognize that a true great man must champion psychological resiliency just as fervently as physical fortitude. Through my work as a professional communicator and a host, I have cultivated the ability to amplify voices, especially for those who often suffer in silence. Furthermore, also because of my commitment to rigorous physical discipline, I have been able to instill in me the perseverance required to turn vision into tangible actions. So I deserve to become the next great man of the universe because my advocacy is not just a temporary pageant platform, it is a lifelong practice. I possess the eloquence to lead, the empathetic capacity to serve, and the steadfast dedication in inspiring our youth holistically. A great man who is a leader, a visionary, and of course, an inspiration. Once again, my name is Mark Jefferson Matthew Islam, representing Cabanatuan City. Magandang gabi at mabuhay! Tayo lang!
Thank you so much, great man, Cabanatuan City. Well, at this point of the competition, I would...
Great man.
Great Man of the Universe Philippines 2026. It represents strength, resilience, and spirit. I am a hard-working student, an entrepreneur, and an independent individual who has learned to pursue my dreams through discipline, sacrifice, and determination. Being Great Man of the Universe is someone leadership with humility, success with service, and I am here to not represent myself, but represent my community, my hometown Bay, my province of Laguna, and as well the country of the Philippines. Happy 128th Independence Day! Mabuhay, Pilipinas!
Thank you, Mr. Bay Laguna. Ayan, I love that. So much energy, and I think it's important to mention while we bring up Palawan. You can see they're wearing their Filipino attire because this is all in celebration of Philippine Independence Day. So of course, they're sporting their best Filipino attire. Okay, Palawan, the moment is yours. What makes a great man?
Okay. Mayad nga gabi kanitong tanan. Para kanakon, ang great man ay bukin lamang natataklas sa tinlo ang lawas, ig sa tinlo ang itsura, kundi sa namalyang masaya. Agatindag ako sa national stage, bukin lamang para irepresenta aking sa dili, kundi ikadungag, ikipabunayag sa bilog ng kalibutan na kami ay manggadeng sa kultura ig tradisyon. Para kanakon, bilang isa ra ka-advokasya, ang pagpreserba ang kultura, arts, ig amang tradisyon ay isa ra ka sagradong buruatan. Ikakadungag ang amang ingalinan, pagi sa mga istorya, ig sa mga kwento nga kaming mga kuyonon ay kaya namang patunayan ang amang sadili. Sa pagsilibra ang Philippine Independence Day, tawanta dengeg ang atong ingalinan, kung sino kita. At ang manggat nga tradisyon ay patunay lamang nga indedemdeman ta ang atong kanugaya. Sa dading pagsilibra ang Independence Day, tawanta importansya nga ipagpabunayag ang atong kultura para sa madarasong henerasyon. Mabuhi ang kulturang Pilipino, mabuhi ang malayang Pilipinas. Matamang salamat, igmayad nga gabi, kanindong tanan.
Thank you so much, Palawan. At this time, I'll actually provide the translation. Thank you so much, Palawan. You might exit. So in the meantime, a little translation. I think this is wonderful. We're showcasing many parts of the Philippines that doesn't just mean English or Tagalog, but many dialects around the Philippines. So this is a rough translation. A true great man is not measured by a handsome face or a strong physique, but by the depth of his purpose. I stand on this national stage not merely to represent myself, but to proudly showcase our rich culture and heritage to the world. For me, being an advocate for our culture, arts, and traditions is more than just a duty. It is a sacred calling. We carry the voices of our ancestors through our stories, and through us, their legacy continues to live. As we celebrate Philippine Independence Day, let us honor the very core of our identity. Our traditions remind us of our history, strengthen our patriotism, and keep the spirit of freedom alive for future generations. Mabuhay ang kulturang Pilipino at mabuhay ang Malayang Pilipinas. Okay, moving on to our next contestant, Manila City. Good evening, you're very shiny here today, shining, shimmering, splendid. Could you tell us about the inspiration behind your costume?
Designed by Ito and Mitui. Was inspired by a while some by Mindanao.
Okay, very nice. So now, the moment. What makes a great man?
I honestly believe that a true great man is a failure. A failure, someone who failed and failed and failed again. But a great man is someone who failed but doesn't give up. Instead, he chooses to find a solution and make the most out of it. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Manila City. Up next, we have Ilocosur. Alright, here you go, Ilocosur.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, how has your night been so far?
So it was so fun and because I enjoyed the night. Now I'm this competition and yeah, I feel so nervous but I can do this.
Yes, you can do it because you are a great man.
Yes.
Yeah. Now, the question, what makes you a great man?
Being a great man doesn't mean having your own spotlight, but being a light for your family, for your community, and for the people who are in the darkest time of your life. At the age of 10, I started working on my uncle's catering services. My uncle would always tell me to be hardworking and patient. At the age of 16, I worked as a service crew in a fast food chain. Yes, it's hard, but I need to do it for my family. I became a breadwinner. At the age of 18, I worked and prioritized my studies and continued working. Now, I am very much proud and happy to say that I am a licensed professional teacher by God's grace. And because of that, I work hard. And with the learnings and the challenges I encounter along the way, that is the reason why I became more hardworking and patient. And for me, that's the very essence of what I'm standing here today. That for me is the essence of a true great man. And I hope I inspire all of you with my story. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Ilocosur. Up next, we have Zambales. Hello, Zambales. I've noticed your barong is very unique.
Yes, well actually, most of these symbols symbolizes the crafts of the Philippines, like the tarsier, the mango, which is the famous delicacy in Zambales.
Oh, I love it. So Zambales, what makes up a great man?
I stand before you not for the glamour of the crown, but by the lasting influence of a servant leader. I am here because of the purpose, values, and dedication that I carry as a Zambaleno. As a licensed professional teacher and a public servant, I have learned that true leadership is not measured by recognition alone, but by the influence that we create in the lives of others. As we celebrate Independence Day tomorrow, I am reminded that freedom is not only about our nation's history, it is a lasting call to action. And we see it in the grids of our Aita communities in the mountains of Zambales. If named Great Man of the Universe Philippines 2026, I will continue to champion education and empower the youth, and I want to show the world the strength of the Filipino people. I am ready to be a great man, not only in name, but in action and purpose, and represent the Philippines with pride, honor, and integrity. Happy Independence Day! Good evening.
Thank you so much. Calling up Quezon Province. Hello, Quezon Province. I believe you were part of the second batch of candidates that joined us in the conference. Oh, you're in the first. My mistake. Well, you know what? That shows you really reinvented yourself throughout the journey. So how has your journey been so far?
It was so fun and I've learned so many experiences in this project. And I'm truly grateful for this kind of experience.
Amazing. So now, at the essence of your journey, what makes up a great man?
I stand here today not just as a great one, but as the proud son of a fish vendor parents. Before the sun rises, my parent and I are already awake, working with cold hands but with hopeful hearts for our family's future. I deserve to win the next great man of the universe, Philippines, because I represent every Filipino families who works silently and sacrifices honestly. Dahil ipinagmamalaki kong anak ako ng isang fish vendor at hindi magiging hadlang ang amoy ng isda upang maabot ang aking mga pangarap. Mabuhay tayong mga mag-iisda! Mabuhay ang bawat Pilipino!
Thank you so much, Quezon Province. All right, and now for our last candidate of this batch, Mr. Pampanga. There you go, Pampanga. I know it's nerve-wracking being the last of your batch. How are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling nervous.
But it's okay because you're a great man and I know you're going to convey your message with the rest of us tonight.
Yeah, it's a part of the journey.
Yes, exactly. All right. So, Mr. Pampanga, what makes up a great man?
What makes me a great man is to have 4 things in my life. First is to be resilient. Second is to have integrity. And the third is to have purpose. And the fourth is to have the voice that can inspire others. And I would like to use my voice to promote the freedom of our Independence Day. In this upcoming Independence Day, I would like us to remind all that Independence Day spirit is not only for our nation, but for all of our Filipino people who possess courage, integrity, and hope. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much, Pampanga.
Pero yung ex ko dito ako pinapalaya.
That was the last of our second batch of candidates, and at this time, I think that makes up a great man, and especially a great title holder. It's taking up a responsibility not just for yourself on stage, but also the province and the people you represent. For me, I was the first representative of Ifugao, and I took that as an immense responsibility. The hashtag Ifugao Warrior went viral during my term, and I think that's at the heart of my people and something I try to embody during every step of my journey. So what makes a great woman, a great man, a great representative is having the courage and the leadership to step up on stage and be a true representative of your people.
Wow.
Thank
Give
you.
it up for Valerie Howard West.
I'm out of practice.
The pride of Ifugao. And speaking of a great man.
Being a great man, alam ko, isa lang ang kailangan natin na salita, being a great man. Ito ay isang respeto. Respeto sa sarili, respeto sa bawat isa. Simula ng pagkabata, ito ang tinuro sa akin ng aking mga magulang. Hanggang sa aking pagtanda, dala-dala ko ito. Lalong-lalo na sa ating mga kapatid natin na LGBTQ, na kailangan tanggapin natin sila ng buong buo at walang walang anything na makakadlang para pumasok sa ating mga kababayan. Yun lamang po. At maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat sa taas sa Manila. Up next, we'll call up Marinduque.
I see that there are a lot of candidates who are proud of their culture and the place that they are representing. Like your brothers, please tell us the story behind what you are wearing tonight.
Actually, I'm from Marinduque, so yung costume ko dapat is like Korean talaga. May mask, so ito, imitation lang siya ng Korean din. So, yeah.
Very nice. Okay, Marinduque. I think you've heard the question by now. What makes you a great man?
Para sa akin, ang pagiging isang great man is yung pagiging isang mabuting tao kahit walang nakakita sa kanya. At higit sa lahat, ang pagiging isang dakila ay yung pag-angat sa iba, hindi lang sa iyo sarili. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Marinduque.
Up next, we have Mr. Oriental Mindoro.
Hindi pa. I think
Negros.
we'll have
Negros. I do apologize for that. Up next, we have Negros Oriental.
No, I think, Nikki, you're trying to make sure they're paying attention. Very good, guys. You know you're very good. Yeah. Negros Oriental. You're wearing something quite different than the rest of our candidates, I've noticed. So maybe what's the inspiration or how does this relate to where you're from?
So I would like to thank my designer, which is Joseph Tumapa, for my barong today. Thank you.
Okay. Now, Mr. Negros Oriental, what makes up a great man?
As a great man of the universe, Philippines, I embody the values the Independence Day represents. Freedom, courage, unity, and love for our nation. Independence Day reminds us the sacrifices made by our heroes to give us the freedom we enjoy today. Winning this title would allow me to promote patriotism, empower communities, and encourage the next generation to value and protect the freedom that our forefathers fought for. I am committed to being a leader who represents the best of the Filipino spirit. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Well said. Thank you so much for that speech. And now we move on to our next candidate.
Occidental Mindoro. The much awaited.
Ayan na. Ayan na siya. The much awaited. Hello, Occidental Mindoro.
Hello, good evening.
How are you feeling tonight?
I'm feeling great and so grateful because to my supporters, to my family, my friends, and to the people who always believe in me.
Very nice. You know, all of our candidates, it takes a village to get here. You see the candidate on stage, but it really takes an entire team. So thank you for thanking all those people that got you here. Okay.
So, your question is, just like the other questions, of course, hindi naman nababago. What it takes to be a great man.
At a very young age, I experienced the weight of a man's work fishing. Not by choice, but by responsibility. It wasn't the childhood I dreamed of, but it taught me so much strength. I may have started at the sea, but I am not drowned by struggle. I chose to rise, and tonight I stand here, proof that no dream is too far for someone who never gave up. And I believe through my stories and experiences, I can say that it makes me shape to be a great man. So to everyone listening here tonight, I just want to say that never underestimate what one opportunity can do. Because everything, never underestimate what one opportunity can do. Because it might be the beginning of the life you always prayed for. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Well said, never underestimate an opportunity. Of course, when an opportunity knocks on your door, you answer. Kasi sayang din naman, di ba? So
closes.
The other door open.
Ayan.
So, yeah, I read your
We
mind.
finish each other's sentences. Perfect. Okay.
So let us move on to the next candidate.
Davao City.
Open pa.
Okay. Hello, Davao City. Okay, how are you feeling at the moment?
I'm feeling a little bit nervous right now.
It's okay. I think everyone is nervous. This is one of the most nerve-wracking parts of competition, but it's also your chance to share your story. So, Mr. Davao City, what makes up a great man?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. As a basketball athlete, bring my education. I use sports is the bridge of my education. To be a great man, I inspire others to pursue sports, value education, and also to live a healthy lifestyle. Because a good body builds a good mind and a better future. And thank you.
Thank you so much, Davao City.
Thank you so much. Actually, napaka-importante talaga ang physical health because it also affects your mental health. You cannot be mentally healthy if you are not physically healthy. Ayan. Diba na kompleto mo? Ayun. So, ayun na. Our next candidate is
Iba Zambales.
O, diba? Nakaka-iba siya.
Iba, iba.
Diba? Ayun tuloy. Okay, here we go. Are you ready for your question?
Yes po.
Yes po.
Born ready?
Yes.
Born ready. Ayan, I like that energy.
So the question is, what does it take to be a great man?
Good evening, everyone. Naniniwala po ako na ako susunod na great man of the Universe Philippines dahil ngayong gabi ay dala ko ang tunay na spirito ng Zambales. Isang katatagang kasintatag ng bundok ng Mount Pinatubo at isang pusong kasintamis ng ating pinagmamalaking mangga pagdating sa pagmamalasakit. Nais kong gamitin ang platapormang ito upang ipaalala sa mga kabataan, lalo na sa probinsya, na ang kahirapan at distansya ay hindi hadlang sa ating mga pangarap. Ang totoong great man ay parang baybayin ng Zambales at handa silang mamunin ang naglalakihang alon ng buhay ng may respeto, integridad at katapatan. Maging malayo tayo sa alon ng buhay, hindi lang para sa ating mga pangarap, kundi sa mga pangarap ng ating bayan na kailanman ay hindi magpapalubi. Thank you.
Thank you, Iba Zambales. Alright, and now for our last but not least candidates, Mr. Kalinga, my fellow Cordilleran. So I have a question for you, Mr. Kalinga. As the last candidate, every portion of competition, how do you deal with the pressure of waiting to be last every single time?
Is this the question or just
This is just for fun, not graded.
being
If
the
you want
last?
to answer the question, you may.
And so being the last may be the farthest from them all, but it's an advantage because I can prepare and
I like it. All right. Thank you for being game to answer my extra question.
Sure, of course.
All right. The real question now. What makes a great man?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, my other co-candidates spoke with a speech like a minute or two, but I'm not going to make it difficult for you guys. Being a great man should be sincere, because tonight I'm wearing a native attire from Kalinga, which shows sincere appearance, because this has been a clothing from our ancestors before. And tonight I carry the spirit of Kalinga and the pride of every Filipino,
with resilience, compassionate, courageous, mabuhay ang Pilipinas. Thank you.
Thank you so